Let's talk about how to pack for an international trip using just a personal item bag without feeling unprepared, stressed, or like you're sacrificing your favorite things. For years, I've been experimenting with bringing less and less on my travels to see how lightly I can travel and still feel completely prepared for anything that comes my way. And while yes, there are exceptions like traveling with kids or trekking in freezing temperatures, followed by going to the Amazon where it's humid on the same trip. But for shorter and more casual trips, like my recent trip I just took to Antigua, Guatemala, I've learned that a personal item only bag is truly all you need. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how you can travel this way too. By the end of this video, you're gonna feel more confident, lighter, freer, and you're gonna be saving money too. In fact, I saved $300 on my recent 4-day trip just by skipping the carry-on and bringing a personal item bag only. The first tip on how to pack for international travel in just a personal item bag is to choose the right personal item bag. Your entire travel experience starts with the bag you choose. It needs to be lightweight, structured enough to organize your essentials, small enough to meet airline personal item requirements, comfortable enough to carry for long travel days. For my most recent trip, I used the Osprey 30-liter duffel bag, which fits perfectly under most airline seats while maximizing space. Another personal item bag I've used several times is the Nomad Lane bento bag, which is great for business or city trips where organizational pockets are essential. However, since this is an over-the-shoulder bag, it can put a lot of weight on your shoulders and neck if you overpack it. So I would only bring it for trips where you don't have long travel days where you're lugging it around. For those days, I would go with the personal item travel bag like the Osprey I have. But bottom line, the key is to choose a bag that forces you to be intentional. When space is limited, you pack what you actually use. Now moving on to the next tip, and that is curate your clothing essentials. This is where most overpacking happens. The secret? Plan outfits, not options. Here's what typically fits in a personal item bag. 3 to 4 tops, 1 to 2 bottoms, 1 lightweight layer, sleepwear, underwear and socks, 1 pair of shoes, and then wear another pair of bulkier shoes on the plane. Stick to neutral colors or a color palette where everything mixes and matches. And remember, most places have laundry if you need it. And if the place you're staying in doesn't have laundry, I will discuss more options for you later in the video. You don't need more, you just need the right pieces. And remember, you want to skip the non-essentials and just bring what you really need. Now, speaking of getting rid of the non-travel essentials, another item you can do without is a physical SIM card and instead switch to an Airlo eSIM. The travel essential you'll never want to travel without, regardless if you're traveling international for 1 day or months at a time. If you haven't heard of it yet, Airlo is a digital SIM card, also known as an eSIM, that keeps you connected while you travel. No need to track down a SIM vendor or pay crazy roaming fees ever again. You're connected just as you would back home right when you land in your new destination. Which is perfect because landing in a new country can feel overwhelming. You're trying to navigate getting around, calling for ride shares or taxis, doing currency conversions, translating menus, etc. But with Airlo, you can feel more relaxed from day one and focus on having a great time on your new adventure. Airlo works in over 200 countries and regions, and it's easy to set up that even all the non-techie people you know will be able to do it just fine. You just download the app, pick a plan for wherever you're going, and install it before your trip. The second you land, you're online. Airlo is totally digital, so no plastic waste, which is awesome. And Airlo offers both plans with either a set amount of gigs or unlimited. So whether you're looking for just enough data to stay connected to family on WhatsApp or check emails, or you need a plan that's unlimited, Airlo has options for you. So if you are planning a trip in the new year, download the Airlo app and use our discount code to save $3 off your first eSIM. I will also drop the link below in the description box. The next tip on how to pack for international travel with just a personal item bag is to streamline toiletries and liquids. This is where people usually panic, but it's actually the easiest place to save space. Here's what you do. Downsize liquids into travel size reusable containers and only bring what you'll use in 3 to 4 days. Use a flat toiletry bag so it compresses instead of bulking up. Skip the just in case items. You can buy those in your destination if you actually need them. And yes, TSA liquid limits are totally manageable if you are intentional. The next tip I have for when it comes to packing in a personal item bag only is keep electronics and travel documents minimal. This is where people accidentally double their weight. Focus on essentials only, such as your phone, small charger and portable battery, a universal adapter, headphones. I keep it small and just bring these ones. A laptop or tablet only if you need it, and your passport. Then use a thin, flat pouch to keep everything together, or you can reserve a place in your personal item bag for these specific items. The less tech you bring, the lighter and more relaxed the trip feels, because this is usually where the weight is really added on if you let it. The next tip on packing for international travel in just a personal item bag is use space-saving packing hacks. This is where personal item only packing becomes easy. My go-to hacks are roll your clothes instead of folding them, use one compression packing cube to shrink your clothing by 30 to 40%, wear bulkier items on travel days, stuff small items like socks into your shoes, and use the airplane outfit cheat code, which is wearing a pocketed vest or jacket to sneak in some extra items on board. Every little bit makes a big difference when you're working with a small bag. And some final tips for personal item only travel. These are a few pro-level strategies that make the whole travel experience smoother. One is to check your airline's exact personal item dimensions, so you're bringing the right bag. Keep your heaviest items closer to your back if you're wearing a backpack for comfort. Pack items in layers so security checks are easier. And leave 10% of your bag for snacks, souvenirs, or unexpected finds. And lastly, trust the system. The more you travel with less, the easier it becomes. Now at this point of the video, you might be wondering, but what about longer trips? Is a personal item bag still possible? Absolutely, especially with these extra tips. If you book an Airbnb, you'll be fully stocked with everything you need on a daily basis, like a washing machine, fully stocked kitchen, blow dryer, etc. Jewelry can completely change your daily look and feel and add so much more to your wardrobe. It's small, it's light to pack, and it can change up the same outfit from day to night. If you're going on a longer trip where you don't have easy access to a washing machine, consider bringing a Scrubba bag for laundry along with some laundry soap to go with it. The Scrubba is a portable laundry bag that lets you wash clothes pretty much anywhere. You just add water, detergent, your clothes, then you seal it properly by folding the top strap back onto the second strap and then roll along the lines to keep it leak-free. Then you let out any air that's trapped in the bag by opening up this little plastic piece and gently pressing down on the bag. Inside is this built-in washboard, which actually does the cleaning. You rub the bag firmly back and forth and side to side and let it do the work. Then you pour the dirty water out, add clean water, seal it again, and shake to rinse. Then you hang your clothes to dry and you turn the Scrubba bag inside out, clip it up as well, and let that dry out. This easy to pack system takes up little room in your personal item travel bag and cleans your clothes much better than just using your hands. And that's it. That's exactly how I pack for international travel using only a personal item bag. Once you try traveling this way, you will see how freeing it feels to move lighter, stress less, and still have everything you need. If this video helped you feel more confident about personal item only packing, then you're gonna love my 15 budget travel hacks that actually save you money. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, where are you traveling to next? Let me know below. Also be sure to check out the video description below to get your special discount that will save you $3 off your Airlo eSIM purchase. That way you can stay connected with ease throughout your next trip. And if you want even more travel tips, packing guides, and destination inspiration, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I've got much more coming your way. So happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video.